help you get out
Very
there
quickly.
Oh man, we got out there in 3 or 4 hours. There's only 6 rings.
Yeah.
Like I said, I can help you stand it up. Grab me a picket and throw them some bitches out. Then they get mad if they find out I picked something up. Then they ain't gonna let me work no more.
Yeah.
Man, I'll be glad when that doctor tells me. I need to call my doctor. Yeah, 70. This one goes 72. The one Scott go just 70.
Yeah. The Scat no. Bird go
69.
69.
Yeah, it can't go 70 because he don't have CDLs. It only goes 69.
I tried bird truck.
You drove bird truck?
Yeah.
You like it?
Yeah, it's okay.
Nah, I like this truck. I like Scott truck. They go 70.
No, yeah. If not you drive today, I drive.
Yeah. You've been driving the box truck, the little truck.
Yeah.
That wouldn't have been no good.
Oh, that one, the horrible.
Yeah. That wouldn't have been too good.
You remember I took you the map like the...
Yeah, you didn't like that one, did you?
Oh.
65?
Yeah, 65.
Wow.
And sometimes go the hill like go 45. Go down.
Miles, take exit 72 for I-77 north toward Bluefield, Charleston, WVA.
Charleston.
Yeah, going toward Charleston. It's just like, the lane ain't closed, is it? Shoulder closed. Yeah, I know. T8. Okay, that's good. That's good. That means on the way back I can put fuel in here if I need to.
Your T8 the fuel.
Yeah, T8, that's where we get our fuel from. I forgot all about this thing here. I think I can I'll be good. Once I come back, I'll stop here and get some fuel. But I got about almost 3 hours. Yeah, I got it. This gas gauge is off a little bit.
Yeah. Which side the mountain?
Yeah. We about to go through some mountains when we go through the tunnels. Yeah, I forgot we gotta go this way. Police? Yeah, they be looking for people.
Yeah.
I should have got me a haircut. I meant to bring my clippers. That's okay. I'll cut them when I get back home. I'll be at the warehouse for 2 weeks. That's okay. It's a good deal. to pick up speed. Yeah. In a tunnel down here. Start slowing up, tunnel coming up.
About the small car, pay toll.
No,
The big truck pay.
no, they just go through. There's no pain coming through here.
Wow, beautiful tunnel. If the accident, like maybe traffic,
Coming through here.
yeah.
Yeah, it didn't happen. I never was stuck in it, but I know it happened. Got in an accident in here and bagged traffic all the way up.
Really?
Man, they probably had to come around and come from the other side to get to it. 'Cause there ain't no way you get through here if there's an accident. Police can't get through here.
So how many miles? 1 mile?
About a mile. Yeah, it's not long. Have another after this one. Got one more. Yeah, it's one more tunnel to go through. Then we'll be in West Virginia. That should be about another 15, 20 minutes. Yeah, about another 15, 20 minutes. We'll be at the other tunnel.
Wow.
I got another way station. Yep. I got this way station down here. That's okay.
Close.
Yeah, what did it say? Closed. Eyes open. I guess I gotta go through here.
Oh, just let's say open, you get in.
Yeah.
Oh, they check your truck there.
Nah, they didn't move the line up, so Nah, they can weigh you.
How about that guy in front of us?
He got through it before it opened up, before the sign switched over.
Okay.
In a
Yeah.
quarter mile, merge onto I-77 North.
If I could have got through before the sign changed,
Uh-huh.
I could have came on through.
Oh, they have like camera out there, right?
And well, yeah, cause you see how many cars. Cause if it kept getting back and back, it'd have been in the traffic. So now they can move the trucks up, and I gotta listen out. I gotta roll this down.
Okay. If like they open it,
Soon
get in.
as soon as they get more room right here,
okay.
they'll open it back up. Now, if it stop backing up again, they'll close it. That way, won't no more trucks get in line, and it won't cause a traffic jam in the back. Like now, they didn't close it. See these trucks about to go by?
Uh,
They didn't close it again. Which is stupid. If they had this thing with the bypass, where they say truck keep going, they wouldn't have this problem. I got quite a few trucks behind me now. They didn't open back up.
if they open it, if you not stop it, the police follow you.
Yeah, if they open it and if you catch it before it, when they say open and you keep going, they gonna come get you. Yeah, they got me one time.
Really?
Not in this truck, but in one of my big trucks. I went past the weigh station and inspection station. Yeah, they came and got me. Cost me some money. Plus, I couldn't go nowhere for about 10 hours.
Really?
Yeah, I had to sit for 10 hours.
Wow.
Yeah, he got mad. Well, he got mad. Yeah, he got mad.